Synthesia AI. Tired of spending hours on filming, editing, and hiring actors just to create a simple video? What if you could produce studio-quality videos without even touching a camera? That's exactly what Synthesia offers. Synthesia is an AI-powered video creation platform that turns plain text into stunning videos. Simply type or paste your script, choose from over 230 lifelike AI avatars, and select a voice in one of 140+ supported languages. In seconds, your text becomes a polished video with natural expressions, perfect lip sync, and professional narration. For businesses that need a personal touch, Synthesia allows you to create custom avatars that look and sound just like you or your brand ambassador. This makes it ideal for delivering messages that feel authentic and tailored. Its easy-to-use editor means you do not need video production experience. You can customize layouts, add multiple avatars to simulate conversations, and even integrate slides or logos to match your brand. Teams can collaborate in real time, leaving comments and approvals directly in the platform, saving countless back-and-forth emails. Another standout feature is instant translation and localization. If you're working with a global audience, Synthesia can translate your video into multiple languages while keeping the lip movements perfectly synced. Whether you are making training content, marketing videos, or customer support guides, this feature eliminates costly re-recordings. The platform exports videos in up to 1080p resolution, giving you crisp, professional quality output suitable for any platform. By removing the need for cameras, studios, and actors, Synthesia makes video production faster, cheaper, and more accessible than ever before. Call to action: stop wasting time and money on traditional video shoots. Try Synthesia today and turn your words into professional videos that captivate your audience.